Airbus A350 vs Boeing 777X, the largest wide-body offerings from Airbus and Boeing. Which is better? A350 Extra Wide-Body was launched in 2006 as a response to Boeing's all-new composite 787 Dreamliner. Airbus positioned the A350 slightly larger than the 787, allowing it to also compete with the hot-selling 777, which was killing their quad-engine A340 in the long-haul marketplace. A350 took the newest carbon fiber wings, fuselage and engine technologies, but applied it on a 777-sized aircraft. Boeing didn't want to lose the 777 market and started discussing with 777 operators on how to improve the 777 to compete. Eventually, at the 2014 Dubai Air Show, Boeing launched the 777X. It's brought many 787 technologies into the 777 size and was a direct response to the A350. However, as Boeing couldn't compete with the low trip cost of all composite A350, they stretched the 777 to add 30 seats to lower the seats costs and came up with the largest twin-engine aircraft ever. In this video, we compare the larger A350-1000 against the larger 777-9. Before we do, be sure to hit subscribe if you would like to see more of such epic videos. Performance: A350-1000 carries 387 passengers in a typical 2-class configuration to a range of 8,700 nautical miles. With the new production standard, Airbus made the fuselage 4 inches wider for 17-inch wide 10 abreast economy seats. They also increased cabin length by 30 inches. This allows up to 30 more seats, taking capacity up to about 400 passengers. Still, the 777-9 is bigger, carrying 426 passengers in a typical 2-class configuration. It does have less range though at 7,285 nautical miles. Engines: the A350-1000 has advanced Rolls-Royce Trent XWB-97 engines, each producing 97,000 pounds of thrust. The 777-9 has the largest turbofan in the world, the GE9X producing 105,000 pounds of thrust each. It's the world's most efficient wide-body engine. Efficiency: the lighter composite A350-1000 is unbeatable. It burns 6.36 kg per kilometer compared to 7.13 kg per kilometer flown over a typical 6,000 nautical mile mission, so about 9% lower fuel burn per trip. However, the additional seats on the 777-9 reduces the difference in per-seat figures, with A350-1000 burning 2.18 litres per passenger compared to 2.29 litres per passenger for every 100 kilometers flown. So the A350-1000 is 4% more efficient per seat. Both figures are in typical 2-class layouts, with 9 abreast on the A350, put 10 abreast on the new production standard, and with similar number of seats, the fuel burn savings per seat for the A350-1000 will be over 10%. Cabins: 777-9 features the newest Sky interior, with cathedral-like ceilings, projection mood lighting, larger windows with optional electronic shading system. 777X has a lower cabin altitude of 6,000 feet and more moist air. In a 10 abreast layout, it has narrower 17.4-inch wide seats with 18-inch seat bases. A350-1000 has the aerospace cabin. It has smaller windows but now has the same optional electronic shading system. It has the same lower cabin altitude and more moist air plus a quieter cabin. However, it has the newest IFE systems with a fully flat floor. With the new production standard, Airbus increased fuselage width by 4 inches, allowing for wider 18.7-inch wide seats in a typical 9 abreast economy layout. Airbus is more actively promoting 10 abreast on the A350 at 17-inch wide seats. Overall, at 9 abreast, the A350 wins out, but at 10, the 777-9 is better. Advantages and disadvantages. A350-1000 is more efficient than the 777-9 in every way, and for airlines not needing extra seats, it's a better 1-for-1 777-300ER replacement. However, given it's Airbus's largest offering, it cannot compete with the size of the 777-9. 777-9 may not be as efficient, but its larger size allows airlines to grow seat capacity on existing 777-300ER routes. Given high demand for air travel, the extra seats could prove lucrative. Plus, it can also replace 747s and A380s on most routes. However, if airlines can't fill the 777-9, it's simply less efficient than the smaller A350-1000. Orders. To be honest, neither sell well. A350-1000 has 226 orders, while the 777X has 363 orders for both variants. The market has really shifted to aircraft like the 787-9 and A350-900, offering the same range but a smaller size of around 300 seats, meaning it's easier to fill. So overall, which is better? Well, the A350-1000 is better as a 1-for-1 777-300ER replacement, offering the same capabilities with even greater efficiency. Meanwhile, the 777-9 offers more capability to airlines looking to grow existing 777-300ER routes, while at the same time replace inefficient A380s and 747s. Each has its own unique niche in the marketplace. Thanks for watching and be sure to hit subscribe for more aviation videos on the way. Until we meet next time, one team, one aviation, one sky ahead.